Now then, hope you're all good. I'm just in East Bailey doing some electrical safety inspection remedial works, or an EICR if you know it by that term. The customer wanted us to do the inspection, but I was too busy at the time, so they got somebody else in, and they've asked me back to have a look at what I thought about the report. And basically the people who did it quoted to rewire the entire, all 3 lighting circuits in the house, and because they found one issue. It looks like an old fabric-y cable. Now, that is really old. Yeah. I'm not going to say, if you found that all over your lighting circuit, it's time to rewire. But at every point, all the light switches, all the light switches in the house have got the newer style cabling. It's literally just that. Now, through experience, I've seen this many times before, it's typically just that last meter that someone just can't bother to do. Especially when you're looking at everything else and you see that, you know, it's all been rewired. You look at fuse board, it's all nice and neat. So let's have a little look here. I'm just under the floor above this light fit. I'm going to show you what is going on here. There's your fabric cable, literally to all new cables here. Newish anyway, it's old colours, solid cord, so I'd say maybe 90s it was installed. Full lighting rewire for that. Crazy. But there we go. I'm here, we're doing it. We're getting a far cheaper fix than what we're quoted. And I guess the lesson here to learn is trust, and how much trust you can put into people. This electrical inspection, it was made out to be the house pretty much needs to rewire its end up well, but an honest electrician would come in here and say, oh, it doesn't look bad. You'd take the fuse board cover off, you say, oh, this is good, it looks fairly neat, it's on newer style cables. Let's have a look around, and then you get a feel for the installation. I mean, to say there's no earths in everything is just an out-and-out lie. I think there's one part of the circuit downstairs where there's no earths, but I'd probably bet again that it's similar to this. And yeah, it's just crazy, but it's what you're up against. But a lot of trust in people, and this is what they do. So yeah, if you do need an electrical safety inspection, an honest one, then by all means, it's something we do carry out. Now, I'm not going to sit down here and say that we are the cheapest, but we're definitely not the cheapest for a reason, and it's exactly this. It's for trust. So please give us a call if you do need it doing and you want an honest report without a load of baloney on there. My number's 01274 358 444. I'm Nathan from Quality Electrician, the extract fan specialist.